So Wipro sending the one mail that there is written important information on assessment pre. So Wipro sending the mails that important information on assessment pre-skilling, BGV and onboarding. What is this? Because if you see, this is the shortlisted candidate who will shortlist. They will send the interview mail will be shared by the campus hiring team. What is going on? One more thing, that there is the assessment on 23rd of February because Delta X is sending the mails. बट हाउ टू अप्लाई, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, ये कब आई और कब अप्लाई करना है हमें पता नहीं चला. First go and apply for these hirings, and for these hiring which I already uploaded today, go and apply for these opportunities, because if you did not getting these mails, it means you did not watched my videos and you did not applied for that. तो अब इनकी तरफ से जब यहाँ पे असेसमेंट के मेल आएंगे तो फिर ये मत पूछना कि वेयर इज द लिंक एंड हाउ टू अप्लाई. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड मैनी वीडियोस, डेल्टा एक्स ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड बिफोर, बट यू डिड नॉट अप्लाइड एंड यू डिड नॉट वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड टू गेट द शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग मेल. तो वॉच दीज वीडियोज ताकि तुम्हें फिर से ना कहना पड़े वेयर इज द लिंक, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. सो द thing is, this is the Wipro. Day after yesterday means on 19th of February, many candidates received this mail. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you will receive an assessment mail via email. Please ensure that you complete the assessment within the stipulated deadlines. Means there is the time period. Within time period you have to complete the assessment. So after shortlisted, we will invite for an interview. Means if you crack the assessment, you will get the interview mail by the campus hiring team. So candidate who successfully clear the interview will receive a LOI. Upon accepting the LOI, you will be move ahead to the pre-skilling phase. This is the superset hiring. We all know that superset hiring is ongoing for Wipro, which we already applied, and this is the big mass hiring. ठीक है, 25 maybe 25 or 24 even 23 is eligible, क्योंकि ये हमने बताई थी, बट अभी मुझे क्लिक नहीं हो रहा कि कौन सा बैच एलिजिबल था. बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज द मास हायरिंग. This is not a normal hiring, not a career page hiring. This is the superset mass opportunity, and they are sending the mail. Means if you receive this mail, it means you are shortlisted for the online assessment. ठीक है, because if you see that if you meet the eligibility criteria, you will receive an assessment link. So if you get the shortlisting mail, then you will receive the test mail. After completing the test, if you successfully complete test, then you will receive an interview mail definitely. And then LOI will be there, letter of intent, then offer letter, then joining DOG will be there. Then you can easily start your pre-skilling assessment. We all know what is pre-skilling, जो कि विप्रो हर बार करती है. एक फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉय बनाने से पहले एक प्री स्किलिंग टेस्ट होता है. देन यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट फेज. आफ्टर क्लियरिंग दिस फेज, यू विल रिसीव द फुल टाइम ज्वाइनिंग लेटर. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द बिग अपडेट. इफ यू डिड नॉट वॉच्ड your emails, go and check out, because 19th of February many candidates received this mail. Maybe you will also receive it. Just check the spam folder or many folder is there inbox. अच्छे से देख लो, वहाँ पे सर्च कर लो विप्रो वगैरह. एंड टाइमिंग यू कैन चेक, दैट टाइमिंग विल बी 4:32, लाइक 2 बजे 2:30 3 बजे के आसपास आया है PM पे, तो जाके चेक कर लेना. नाउ द नेक्स्ट अपडेट कमिंग फ्रॉम डेल्टा एक्स, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस रोल इन पर्सन रिक्रूटमेंट इज ऑनगोइंग. द थिंग इज, if you see the congratulations, this is the shortlisting mail. They also give you the date to join the assessment. In 23 February 2026 in person assessment is going on. There will be 2 assessment. After 2 assessment, interview. After interview, within 3 days you will receive the offer letter if you selected. Now the note is, please note the interview will not take place on the same day. ठीक है, this is on the another day. Then you can easily, now following are the details. Basically you have to carry some document like resume, updated resume, some government proof, Aadhaar card or PAN card must be with. Take yourself, this is very mandatory. Passport size photograph will be there, and mark sheet, means a provisional degree is compulsory. And how to apply for this hiring, I already uploaded the video, maybe at least 5-7 एक हफ्ता तो हो चुका है डेल्टा एक्स का. And this is the mass hiring, already told you about this. This is the mass hiring big breaking news जो कि हमने बताई थी. But if you did not apply it, then don't worry, apply for these opportunities. They are also sending the also interview date is out, and you can check that test date is 20th February. So already ongoing. If you're not applying, then this is your fault, not my. Just watch all videos, watch full videos till end to understand the criteria and resume shortlisting, then hit the apply button. But don't be fast. ठीक है, अच्छे समझने के बाद अप्लाई किया करो ताकि शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हो, क्योंकि मोस्टली शॉर्टलिस्टिंग विल बी देयर इन ईच एंड एवरी हायरिंग्स, बट इफ गेट द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग देन दिस मेल्स यू विल सी. ठीक है, और इस तरीके से हमने काफ़ी वीडियोस डाली जिसमें ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट यू कैन चेक 24th February. So these type of result candidate receiving who are watching videos till end to understand the criteria and taking each and every hiring seriously. If you are just stuck on TCS or Accenture, then you are skipping these opportunities which will be giving you the package of 6 LP, 7, 8, 19, 12 LPA. इस तरीके के पैकेज होने वाले. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? अप्लाई इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल लाइक दिस वीडियो. तो टेक महिंद्रा मास हायरिंग, आई वांट टू टेल यू, if you check technical support international voice process Chandigarh 3.6 LP is the package. BE, BTech, BCE, MCA, BSc is eligible only in IT because our technical grads is eligible, maybe 25, 24, 23 is eligible. और यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे इंटरपर्सनल स्किल इज कंपलसरी. बट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, दिस इज द HR रेफरल email ID. They are directly giving you the referral. You can easily DM her and as soon as possible DM her because she is giving you the referral, and this is the exact HR email ID which I am providing you. So please hit the apply button, and your subject line must be your technical grad role. ठीक है, और रेज्यूमे एप्लीकेशन डाल देना और कुछ नहीं. और इमीडिएट ज्वाइनर बॉडी पे लिख देना आई एम एन इमीडिएट ज्वाइनर, एंड थोड़ा सा और लिख देना लाइक आई नो these interpersonal skills and I am ready to work in rotational shift. बस इतना कर देना तो हमारा सबसे पहले शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगी. सेकेंड हायरिंग ऑल्सो फ्रॉम कमिंग फ्रॉम second is also from international. This is the same hiring but the email is different. If you see, this is the another HR email. Even call and WhatsApp number is also there in this. Maybe हाँ यहाँ पे नहीं था तो यहाँ पे है, जाके अपना WhatsApp करो अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे और मेल योर अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे ऑन दिस email. Now please apply it as soon as possible. This is the communication skill. Immediate joiner is eligible and these are the responsibilities. Applied as soon as possible. 3.6 LP up to is the package. Chandigarh location is there. Both location is Chandigarh, but this is the 2 referral email ID. So send your resume on both email ID. Send your updated resume on both email ID and please send as soon as possible because already 2 days ago they posted. So this is active now because very few candidate already applied. If you see, this is the only 9 likes is there, and here you can also see 17 likes. So please hit the apply button for all hirings and please go to the video section and check out these opportunities. Big mass hiring is going on. Hit the apply button, but before that you have to update your resume, and for updating resume I already told you what to put in resume. So watch video till end and hit the apply button. Thanks for watching.